It's Nick again. Hi to everybody. So, as I promised from the last video that I made, this is the next that I'm gonna review. So I do it today. I have plenty time now due to my cholesterol high and my sugar is high. I just do some basketball exercise. I just get an injury. You see this one? I have a bad cramps to my leg, so I cannot barely walk. So I have some time to do this one right now. This one, it's Ruger 1022. It's popular here in the United States. It's good for plinking. The ammo is cheap, and I'm gonna review everything that I spent for upgrade this rifle. I think the upgrade of this rifle is more than the price of this whole firearm or rifle. So I'm gonna tell you right now. So if you like to have let me pull this one out. If you want a very positive misfire, just get this 25 rounder ammo. This one is Butler Creek, made from United States. One of the best that I tell you, just get the one with the steel lips. You see the lips? They call it steel lips. There's another one which is the way they do this one, it's plastic. So that one is not good. But I never recommend that one. This is the one I recommended with the plastic lips. I put this in the side. So I'm gonna tell you the one I upgrade. Okay. Push this one out so that I can give you the close-up look. First, this one is the scope cover. It's made of like polyurethane. It's expandable, elastic. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. I bought it here too in eBay. I think it's $18 for this one, made from here. See how it look like. Give you a close-up look. Okay, that's one of my upgrades. And even this one I upgrade to. Let me pull this one out. So that the attachment is very easy. Of the sling, you can just push this one. You can push it. So here we go. It's open like that. All right. Let me pull the other one for you. This one is old too. I get it for one of the veterans here that fought in a war. So this one's camouflage. So they give this one to me as a remembrance. Okay. This is the one how you pull this one. Pull it like this, pull it out. So here we go. So here's the close-up the rifle. There's a Simon's scope on it. and I put some marker right there to make it visible, those letters. Put some on so that I know if it is on. This one is the original recall pipe, plastic. This one I poured it by myself too. So I just DIY this one. As you can see, it's very long. This one is not normal. You're gonna see on this 1022. This one, there's a little number that they have this one. See, it's a very long barrel, stainless one. Shoot it anytime, even though you just put it in your safe without cleaning. It's not gonna harm because this one is stainless. Alright, we're gonna do one by one the one upgrade to this rifle. So the first is the first upgrade that do this hex head action screw. I changed this one. I ordered to eBay. This one is stainless now. You're not gonna get any rust. Okay, you can see it's a hex. And you see this positive, I'm gonna drop the mag. It's very positive. See, it's dropped. So that's the ammo. This is the common mags that you can buy. This one's original one. So factory mag is a 10 rounder. See, before I start the review, I just want to, this one is clear. See, just want to show you it's clear. So it's clear, no ammo. Okay. So this one is the scope. It's Simmons or Simons. It's 4x5. The size is 4x32. It's good for 22's rifle. The very good one to this one, most of the scope you use screw or 10 cents or 25 cents coins. This one, it's unique. You can adjust it by your finger right there. So you need those coins, screws. That's the very good to that one. That's why I like this one. Even the right relief too, the reticle, hopefully you can spot it in. It's very good too. They have a very good side. Buy this one, I tell you, you're not gonna be disappointed. And the most I like to this one, this part, the extended bolt handle. This one is made from Germany. The brand is Volquansen. You're not gonna see this in a 22s. I stole this one by myself too. I'm not an expert of the gun. I'm not gunsmith too. I just do it, follows the instructions, and I made it. See how big is this one long? See, I tell you. See how big is that one? The cost is this for this one. I think that time I don't see these parts no more. It's almost $90 for this one. I know you not believe that's the real price. See, almost 100 for this one. And have you heard that I changed the rubber bumper to this one? See, you're not hearing touch like sounds metal to metal. Alright. And the next is most of the time you're gonna get a new one. This one is plastic, this clamp, metal clamp. This one, I think it's aluminum metal. So it push a very good grip to your stock, to your wooden stock. So you're not get any movement to this one because it's metal. And the one I grade to myself is a DYI2. You see this ejector? I made this one too. You see that? I get one day I found out this aluminum thing with the screws and with the textures on it. Can I give you a close-up look? And I dig a hole right there with drill, and I put some JB Weld epoxy. I stick on it. Since then, I have a very good ejector. So I didn't need to buy those ejectors that you're gonna buy in the market. I show you how it works. You see how this one is worked and how beautiful is this firearm. So give you a closer look. The other side too. See, as soon as push this alloy ejector, this clear mags is gonna be dropped. You see it drop? This one is one of my best do it myself. You're not gonna see this on anyone. And please, you learn something today. Hopefully after you watch this video, please down in it and click those buttons for subscription. Subscribe to my channel, please. Okay. And the auto release plate too, they call it auto release. This one I upgrade that too. The original 1022, if you rock the slide, so it back up. Now this one, when you push this one, so it's locked. Before, when you push it back, you need to push this auto release plate. Now you don't need to do that no more. So I do some engraving to this one. I take it up. Now you see that one. Before, you can push this one to push it back. Now you just push this ejector. Allah, see? You see that function? That's one of my upgrade too. And even though the sling attachment, I do it myself too. You see how perfect this one? So I tell you, I'm not gunsmith, but I do it just by myself. It look like, if you look at it, it's like professional gunsmithing, but I'm not a professional. See, I repeat again so that you can see. So I slide back, push. The original one, you need to push this one before you push it back. Now, to that upgrade, you can just push this one. Allah. And I do it again. See this one? You see this mags? You see how this one's drop. See? It's very positive drop. So most of this 10-10-2, sometimes you stick right there. Even though you push this one, it's not still stick, so it's not gonna drop. But the way I do it, since I do this one, every time you want to drop your mag, it drop easily. And this is the one I upgrade to. I put some marker here to so that you read it's very easy. It's very visible. So again, do some close up to you guys. This gun, I'm gonna have this one the rest of my life. This is the gun, the one I keep it. So hopefully you like this video. Please subscribe down below after you watch this video. See you next time again. Good luck to you, all of you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. It's Nick again. Say goodbye to you. Please watch the rest of my video. Now I believe I have some almost 60 videos now on YouTube. Please watch them. Goodbye. Peace. I'm out. Thank you for everybody. So this is the close-up of my 10-22 again. Good. Good day.